Hi everyone, I'm with Tama today from Heritage Auctions, and today we've got a very rare collection of minerals behind us, and she's about to tell us what's so unique and exquisite about this special mineral over here that we'll photograph inside the GemLightbox Pro today.
So this is a very, very nice example of a Tanzanite from the Marilani Hills in Tanzania. So as you probably know, Tanzanite gets its name from Tanzania because that is the only country in the world where these are mined. Now Tanzanite is very special because it's clear choric, which means from the front it has a blue color, and then when you turn it to the side, it turns more purple. And then some Tanzanites that aren't heated actually will show some red and green in the crystal when you put it before a polarized light. And specimens with this quality and size are very, very hard to come by. And this is just one of the many pieces that will be available in our October 4th auction at Heritage Auctions. The nice thing is you can see the purple and the blue that I was talking about, so that shows really well in the video.
Cool.